Sound quality. As we already mentioned, the AirPods take a one-size-fits-all approach, so chances are these won't fit your ears perfectly. This means that outside noises easily find their way into your ears and these things leak like it's nobody's business. If you don't want the person next to you to hear your music, you are going to have to turn down the volume substantially. Low. Right to the point, the low end isn't great. It could be because of the lack of a seal, but the bass line in California by Childish Gambino feels like it's a very low mid rather than a bass. Mids. Just like the regular wired earpods, the mids are given a huge boost in these so vocals come through crystal clear. This goes for voice calls as well, by the way. These are probably the clearest phone calls I've ever taken on Bluetooth buds. When it comes to music, you can easily sing along to your favorite tunes, but background elements don't really sit well with each other. Basically every instrument and generator. Second Floor by Freelance Whales seems to lose its weight in depth. Highs. Considering how loud these can get, I'm actually really impressed with the highs. Sure, there isn't a great sounding shimmer after a cymbal hit, but nothing ever gets harsh or painful.